Ever wondered how to conduct keyword research for on-page SEO? It's crucial for improving website visibility, a key element of on-page SEO. With Authority Solutions, you can master the art of keyword research. Start by defining your goals. Whether you're aiming to hike website traffic, amp up click-through rates, or boost conversions, a clear objective is key. Knowing your goals makes the rest of the process much easier. Next, identify relevant topics. Brainstorm themes pertinent to your business and audience, as these will steer your keyword research process. With relevant topics in hand, you're ready to find your keywords. Now it's time to use keyword research tools. Tools like Google Keyword Planner help identify popular keywords and phrases related to your topics. Don't worry if this sounds complicated. Authority Solutions has got you covered. So, are you ready to conduct keyword research like a pro? Remember, it's fundamental to SEO. Authority Solutions can guide your journey to mastering it. Contact Authority Solutions for your SEO needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more SEO tips and tricks.